Okay. Thanks. I see him behind the bush.
The bush, you said?
Yeah, he's coming left over here. He's got hit. I think we can move up, to be honest. I'm gonna move up first, right?
I think I know my team. Maybe.
What?
I think we can move up. I don't see anyone else over here.
Oh, move up slowly.
Oh shit, watch out, no. Someone's definitely shooting that over there. I don't see it, but...
Oh, I don't see him though. He's in the bush.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw where the BB are coming from the bush.
Is there anybody?
I got one far away. I'm gonna push up on the right over here.
Alright, I'll let it. There's people this way, watch out. If you go through the middle, they're gonna see you.
I'll try to help you.
Getting shot at. I'm gonna try to run to you.
Alright. I got him, he's on the ground. Alright, get up. I got the guy in the bush.
Hold on, Ed. Hey, you know what that did?
Oh no.
No, I'll take it.
Yeah, I think we can move this way.
You go that way?
Come back to me. Go through the bush. Right here. I'll hold this angle. I think we're in a good spot.
What?
We're in a good spot to spawn kill.
Yeah, we are. Oh, I got me and he got him.
Good?
Yeah, I got shot. I think I shot you too. I'm hit.
Yeah.
Bang bang.
Oh, fucking hell.
Hit! 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 You see anything? I see him.
Behind the tree.
I got one. I got two. One was coming out walking on the left. Two coming on the left. Want to move up?
I'm gonna move up. Hold up.
Alright. One right side. Pushing up. Where our teammate is.
I'm going.
Alright.
I'm just gonna run around, bro.
I got him. He's out. He's out. My mic isn't working, but he's right here.
Yeah, I see him too.
I'll get him right here, I think. can hear me though, right?
Yeah, I hear you.
I can't hear you much. I hate this shit, dude. I gotta get a new one.
Far away.
No.